Hey guys, let's talk about a rental history report. How could you be declined for a rental property, all right, when you have perfect credit scores and perfect credit reports? All right, let's talk about that. The rental history report is a report that property management companies use to cross-reference your credit report with actual property management companies that you've rented from in the past, their review of how well you paid, okay? And one of the companies that I like to talk about is Safe Rent. Safe Rent is one of the largest property management rental history reports out currently that I know about. Now, this report is what a property manager will use if you rented a property from them, and let's say you left the property in less than perfect condition, and after you paid all the rent on time, you moved out, but the property management company did not have a forwarding address for you. So when they tried to reach you to tell you that there was some damage to the property that they wanted to charge to you, you were unavailable. Well, they will add this to your rental history report called Safe Rent. And then when you go to try to rent another property, Safe Rent will, if that property management company accesses the Safe Rent database, it will show that you have an outstanding balance with another property, and you will be declined not because of your credit, not because of your credit score, okay, not because of your income or your employment, but because of your rental history report. You want to freeze your Safe Rent report. Now, there's more than just Safe Rent rental history reports, but the one I want to discuss with you today is probably used more often than any of the others. So know that your Safe Rent report could cause you to be declined for rental property. So freeze this report, and this will 10x your chance to get approved for rental property if this report is unavailable.